Last year, over 2 million seniors bought SUVs they deeply regretted. And the shocking part? Their own dealers knew it before they signed the papers. Think about that for a second. You walk into a dealership, you trust the person across the desk, and they already know, before you hand over your money, that the vehicle they are selling you is going to cost you far more than the sticker price, in repair bills, in frustration, in daily discomfort, in peace of mind you will never get back. I have been working on cars for years. I have seen what happens after the dealership handshake. The seniors who come into my shop 3 months after buying a brand new SUV, confused about why the technology feels like a spaceship, why their knees ache every time they climb in, why a warning light is already glowing on the dashboard. And every single time, the story is the same. Nobody told them the truth before they bought. That ends today. In this video, I am going to show you the only 3 SUVs in 2026 that are genuinely, completely, without any doubt, worth a senior's hard-earned money. Not a dealer's recommendation, not a sponsored list. The real 3, chosen for comfort, simplicity, long-term reliability, and the kind of ownership experience that gives you confidence every single morning you start the engine. The rest of the market, I will tell you exactly why it is a trap and exactly how to avoid it. If you're over 30 and thinking about your next SUV purchase in 2026, this video was made specifically for you. Do not skip ahead. Do not jump to the comments, because the #1 pick on this list is one that most people never even consider, and it might be the smartest vehicle decision you will ever make. Let us get into it. Here is what nobody warns you about before you buy the wrong SUV. It is not just the money, although that is brutal enough. The average senior who buys the wrong SUV faces over $4,000 in unexpected repairs within the very first year. Not after 10 years, not after 5, year 1. But the real cost is not in your wallet, it's in your daily life. 70% of seniors struggle with overly complicated digital dashboards, touchscreen systems so confusing that a simple temperature adjustment becomes a frustrating 5-minute exercise. Wrong seat height means your knees and back pay the price every single day, every single entry, every single exit. And behind all of it, dealers are quietly pushing the highest margin models, not the most reliable ones. Your comfort was never part of their calculation. This is exactly why choosing correctly in 2026 is not optional, it is everything. So here's what we're doing today. I'm counting down 3 SUVs, number 3, number 2, and number 1. Each one carefully chosen, each one mechanic approved, each one built to give you comfort, reliability, and 0 regret. And I need you to stay until number 1, because the SUV sitting at the top of this list is one that 9 out of 10 seniors walk right past at the dealership, and that is exactly why they end up back in my shop 6 months later, frustrated and overpaying. Do not be that person. Number 1 will change the way you think about buying an SUV forever. Number 3, the 2026 Subaru Forester. Let me tell you something about the Forester that most people in this industry will never say out loud. When mechanics are asked what SUV they would buy for their own mother, not their client, not a stranger, their own mother, the Subaru Forester comes up more than almost any other vehicle in its class. That is not marketing. That is 20 years of watching what actually holds up. The first thing seniors notice about the Forester is how effortless it is to get in and out. The seat height sits at what I call the perfect middle ground. You're not dropping down into it like a low sedan, and you're not climbing up into it like a full-size truck. For anyone dealing with knee stiffness, hip discomfort, or lower back pain, this single detail makes a difference every single day. Visibility is the next thing that stands out. The Forester has some of the largest windows in its class and unusually slim roof pillars. What that means in real driving is a clear, open view in every direction, fewer blind spots, more confidence in parking lots, more awareness in busy traffic. For senior drivers, visibility is not a luxury, it is safety. Under the hood, the 2026 model runs a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, producing around 180 horsepower. It's not built for speed, and it doesn't pretend to be. The power delivery is smooth, steady, and completely predictable. No sudden surges, no complicated performance modes. It simply moves when you need it to and stays calm when you do not. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard on every single trim. In rain, in light snow, on uneven roads, the system works quietly in the background, adjusting traction without any driver input required. You never have to think about it, it just works. Safety technology on the Forester includes Subaru's EyeSight system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring all come standard. These are not optional upgrades, they're built in. For seniors who spend time on highways or in heavy traffic, these features reduce fatigue and add a genuine layer of protection that makes every drive less stressful. Fuel economy averages around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. For anyone on a fixed income or simply watching their monthly expenses, those numbers matter more than people realize over the course of a year. The Forester is honest, dependable, and built to last. It's not flashy, and it doesn't try to be, and that's exactly why mechanics trust it. But here is the thing. As good as the Forester is, and it is genuinely excellent, number 2 on this list has one specific quality that the Forester simply cannot match, a quality that directly affects your wallet for as long as you own the vehicle. If that matters to you, do not touch that skip button. Number 2, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. There is a reason the RAV4 has been one of the best-selling SUVs in America for years, and it has nothing to do with advertising. It has everything to do with what happens after you drive it off the lot. I have seen RAV4 engines come into my shop with over 300,000 miles on them and walk back out needing nothing more than fresh oil and a filter. 300,000 miles! That is not an accident. That is engineering you can actually trust. For seniors, the RAV4 offers a seating position that feels immediately natural. The doors open wide, entry and exit are smooth, and the upright driving position reduces strain on your neck and shoulders during longer drives. Under the hood, the standard 2026 RAV4 produces around 203 horsepower from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Power delivery is smooth and confident. Highway merging feels effortless, and passing at speed never requires you to think twice. For those who want even more efficiency, the hybrid version delivers exceptional fuel economy while running quieter and smoother than almost anything else in its class. Toyota's Safety Sense comes standard and covers every major protection feature: adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. On a long road trip or a busy morning commute, these systems work together to reduce driver fatigue in ways you genuinely feel by the end of the drive. Inside, the RAV4 is clean, practical, and easy to understand. The layout makes sense. Controls are clearly labeled. The infotainment system responds without making you feel like you need a manual to operate it. Higher trims add power-adjustable seats with lumbar support, a detail that sounds small until you are 2 hours into a highway drive and your lower back reminds you exactly why it matters. Fuel economy sits at around 27 miles per gallon city and 35 highway on the standard model. The hybrid pushes those numbers even further. Over the course of a full year of ownership, that difference in fuel costs is real money back in your pocket, close to $2,000 in many cases. The RAV4 does not gamble with your money. It does not surprise you with mystery repair bills. It does not ask you to become a technology expert just to adjust the temperature. It simply works year after year with nothing but routine maintenance. But number one on this list takes everything the RAV4 does well and adds something that neither the RAV4 nor the Forester offers. Something so specific to the way seniors actually live and drive that once I tell you, you will understand immediately why it sits at the very top. And I also promised you earlier that I would reveal the one feature that could save you $3,000. That reveal is coming right now. Number one, the 2026 Honda CR-V. The feature I promised you, the $3,000 saving, here it is. The Honda CR-V's hybrid powertrain, combined with its industry-leading maintenance schedule and remarkably low cost of routine service, saves the average owner between $2,500 and $3,200 over the first 5 years compared to most competitors in this segment. That is not a projection. That is documented ownership cost data across hundreds of thousands of real CR-V owners. But the money is only part of why the CR-V sits at number one on this list. In all my years working on vehicles, if I had to choose one SUV for someone I genuinely cared about, one SUV that covers every single thing a senior needs without asking them to compromise on anything, it would be the 2026 Honda CR-V, every single time. Entry and exit on the CR-V is the most effortless in its class. The seat height is perfectly positioned, the doors open wide, and the upright seating means you slide in and out with minimal strain on your knees, hips, and back. For daily use, this is not a small detail. It is the detail that determines whether driving feels like freedom or like a chore. The 2026 CR-V offers two powertrain choices: a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 190 horsepower, and a refined hybrid system that delivers smooth, quiet, efficient performance that feels almost effortless in daily driving. Neither option is aggressive. Both are tuned for calm, predictable, confidence-inspiring performance, exactly what seniors need and exactly what dealers never highlight. Ride quality on the CR-V is where Honda truly separated itself from the competition. The suspension absorbs road imperfections without ever feeling soft or uncertain. On city streets, on broken pavement, on long highway stretches, the CR-V stays composed and quiet in a way that makes driving genuinely relaxing rather than tiring. Honda sensing comes standard and includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and blind spot monitoring. These systems are not just safety features, they're fatigue reducers, they're confidence builders. For anyone who has ever felt slightly tense navigating busy traffic or long highway drives, Honda sensing quietly handles the stress so you do not have to. And then there's the interior detail that I hear seniors mention more than almost anything else: physical knobs for climate control. Real buttons, not a buried touchscreen menu, not a swipe gesture. Actual knobs that you reach for, turn, and immediately feel the result. Honda understood something that most manufacturers ignored. Not everyone wants to interact with their car like it is a smartphone. Some people just want to be comfortable. The CR-V delivers that without apology. Reliability has always been Honda's strongest argument. With proper maintenance, CR-V models routinely reach 250,000 miles. Oil changes, brake service, fluid checks, that is genuinely all most owners ever need. Parts are widely available, service costs are reasonable, and the ownership experience over 10 years is as stress-free as any vehicle on the road today. Fuel efficiency on the gas model averages around 28 miles per gallon city and 34 highway. The hybrid improves those numbers significantly, making long-term fuel costs one of the lowest in the entire compact SUV segment. The 2026 Honda CR-V checks every box: comfort, safety, reliability, simplicity, long-term value. It does not try to impress you with technology you never asked for. It does not nickel and dime you with repairs you never saw coming. It simply works. Every morning, every mile, every year. Now, let me be direct about the trop part of this video's title, because I meant every word of it. The SUVs you need to be most careful about in 2026 fall into three categories. First, vehicles loaded with fully digital interiors, where every single function runs through a touchscreen. Feel impressive during a test drive and become genuinely frustrating within 60 days of ownership for most seniors. Second, SUVs with unnecessarily high ride heights that look commanding on a lot and punish your joints every single day. Third, European luxury brands that offer beautiful cabins and repair bills that can quietly consume your savings in ways you never anticipated. Dealers will not tell you any of this. Their job is to move inventory. Your job is to protect your money and your comfort. Now you know how. These three SUVs, the Subaru Forester, the Toyota RAV4, and the Honda CR-V, are not just vehicles. They are decisions that protect your freedom, your safety, and your peace of mind for years to come. The right SUV means every morning you start the engine, you feel confident, not stressed, not uncertain, confident. You have worked too hard and too long to spend your driving years frustrated behind the wheel of the wrong vehicle. These three will not let you down. If this video helped you, subscribe right now because the next video I'm releasing will reveal the 5 SUVs that seniors should never buy in 2026, regardless of price or reputation. The names on that list will genuinely surprise you. You do not want to make a $30,000 mistake because you missed a 10-minute video. Subscribe and make sure you catch it the moment it goes live.